So next topic is applications of IT. So let us read out this paragraph. Every aspect of our daily routine has altered with the advent of IT. It helps to improve the quality of our lives by giving us easy access to information as well as large number of products and services. IT has transformed the way we live, the way we work, the way we conduct businesses, and the way we communicate with each other. Although these service providers although these service provides us with innumerable benefits, it also makes us susceptible to various cyber threats. Thus, it is our responsibility to take precautions while using these services to keep ourselves safe from cyber crimes. To keep ourselves safe from cyber crimes. So, what do you understand by this whole paragraph? This whole paragraph is trying to say that IT has improved a lot in each and every sector. For example, the way we live, जिस तरह हम जीते हैं, जिस तरह हम बात करते हैं एक दूसरे से, जिस तरह हम बिजनेस कंडक्ट करते हैं, that means you can say that in this present situation of lockdown, we are able to communicate with each other with the help of different kinds of application softwares, or you can say communication softwares. Either it is and video calling or normal chatting. So we are using different kinds of applications to communicate with each other. Likewise, there are many other applications of IT in our day-to-day life. So that has increased or that has improved the way of life we are living today. And another example is that you can access your YouTube or your internet on your television. There are many examples, and there are many smart TVs at present date that are coming with internet connections. Apart from this, because you all know that every coin has two sides, one is pros and one is cons. So each and every applications of IT will also has a drawback. So we have to be very careful regarding cyber threats, because your data can be hacked by some other persons by using hacking systems and all. So with all the responsibilities, so we have to take all the responsibility and precautions while using particular application through internet. So our next topic is IT in home and everyday life. So now let us understand this. Some of the ways we use IT in our everyday lives are: we use online services to pay our utility bills like the telephone bill, electricity bill, water bill, gas bill, mobile bill, etc. We watch entertainment programs on the internet. We play online and offline games over smartphones and PCs. We get connected with our family, relatives and friends even if they are geographically at distance locations using email, social media, video calling, etc. We book hotels, flight, railway tickets and movie tickets online. So these are the use of IT in our home and everyday lives. So first point is totally based upon the use of IT in our home. That means we are able to pay now electricity bills online, water bills, gas bills, mobile bills, each and every bills we are able to pay by sitting at home itself. And there are many other bills that we can pay by sitting at home itself. So next, we watch entertainment programs on the internet. Yes, there are many sources on internet that provides entertainment programs. For example, Netflix, Hotstar. These are the examples of entertainment programs. We can play online and offline games on PC. We get connected with our family even if they are not living in the same country or in the same geographical area. For example, we are in Gorakhpur. Your relatives are not in Gorakhpur. They are away from this particular district. So with the help of video calling, we all can be together. So these are the uses of IT in homes and everyday life.